Beginners interested in learning big data fundamentals quickly and in easy method, and those who wanted to take up big data job for their career growth. Everyone is talking about big data everywhere, and big data is the latest technology in the IT market. So I have taken the topic big data. In olden days, data was stored manually in physical paper records. After a few years, we started storing the data in databases like Oracle SQL Server instead of storing in paper records. Data grew rapidly with the existence of internet and invention of new mobile application technologies. This rapid growth of data in large volumes led to the origin of big data. Now, let's see what is big data. Large volumes of data that is generated at high speed, or a collection of data sets that are large and complex, or huge sets of data which cannot be stored in the traditional databases. This is what is called big data.